Yeah, you don't need to write all that. You don't need to write that. I could try zooming it. So, what this homework is an SAT question. Um, the SAT is a national test, and they give a national test because like the people in Georgia were saying like, oh, you graduated with a 3.8, but the schools in Florida are easy. And then the people in Florida was like, oh, you got a 4.0 in Georgia, but those tests are easy. And then people were saying, oh, Manatee County, I got a 3.0. I worked really hard for that. And then those people in Tampa, they got 4.0s, but their tests are easy, you know? So that's why we have standardized tests to see, like, is everybody taking the same difficulty of tests to make things more fair, actually? Um, so the SAT is for the whole country. So we can say that the people in Wisconsin are in the same thing as the people in Texas. Okay. Now, the issue with it is that they try to get real creative and write questions in a way you've never seen before to see can you apply knowledge to a brand new concept. So this is something you have seen before, um, but they word it, just a little different than textbook, just a little different than classwork. There is an SAT question on your quiz today. It says one end of a spring is attached to a ceiling. Spring up there. When an object of mass m is attached to the other end of the spring stretches to a length of L, as shown in the equation. What is m when L is 73? Let's do a thumbs up if you finished the problem. Okay. It's A? Yeah. We think it's A. So on your quiz today, it's required to show work. This says that L is 73, so I'm going to take this L out and I'm going to put 73 in. Right. That's the great thing about multiple choice is you can just plug in and see which one works. Letter A. Now on the quiz, if you just wrote 14, I will not give you credit for that. You have to show some thought process as to how you got 14. You don't have to do exactly like I do. It'd be great if you do. If you show this steps just like this. But if you use a different process, like if you plugged in until you figured it out, just show it plugged in. Yeah, show something in pencil so I can see that you didn't just look next door and someone told you 14. I have to see that you put some process and it was your work. Okay. All right. Any questions on this SAT? This was right from the College Board website. This is straight from an SAT practice test. So, the SAT ranges from some simple algebra to very difficult, higher level math. So, don't be too intimidated by it. You guys can do a lot of the SAT. Let's check yesterday's assignment. A couple of people opened up the video so that they could check at home. That's so good. Here is the very bottom of the handout. I'm going to leave this up while I walk around. That's the bottom of the handout for you to check. Does anybody have any questions of ones that are not shown up here? All right. So, page 49. Alright, so did you write down what you're asking for? Did you write down here? Are you sick? What do you have? Can I see the other side? Alright, who's got a question on the handout? We can go over a problem or whatever. Yes, 5. 5. Let's take a look at 5. Okay. So last class asked me about this one too. This is on your quiz, so it's a good idea to ask it. This is what I want to tell you about setting up the tax problem on your quiz. Okay. Always set the equation equal to the total paid, right? It'll say you paid in total, blah, blah, blah. Make that equal the total. You can put that on the right or left, whatever. Whatever it is that you bought, whether it be a ticket or a necklace or whatever, the object that you bought is the letter X, T, P, whatever. This is the tax on the object. So the mistake you'll make is you'll do a good job. Remember, you take the percent tax and you convert it to a decimal. But if you just put in 0.06, that makes it look like tax was only 6 cents. Remember, it's not 6 cents. It's 6 times the price of the object. So make sure that you put whatever letter you pick for the object, you have to put it also next to the tax rate. There is also, on your quiz question, some extra fee that doesn't get taxed. Okay, so put your extra fee, and that's your setup for your tax question. Combine like terms, and then start moving things around. Remember, if it's a word problem, to answer in a complete sentence. Does that help? Working that out a little bit? Who else has a question? All right, then let's just, okay, go ahead. Same 1.2? Oh, yeah. About the average or whatever? Yeah. This is also on your quiz. This is your setup. They give you a table, and they say, what is the mean or the average? So the 3 things highlighted were given. Remember to put a letter in for the unknown. This time the letter represents like what you don't know. So if it's days of the week and it's all 5 days, there should be a 5 at the bottom. Or if it's all 7 days, there should be a 7 at the bottom. Now you set it equal to whatever the goal average is. So from there we combine like terms, multiply by the denominator to clear it or cancel it, and subtract. Once your whole row has the desks cleared, devices put away, calculator and pencil only, I'll give you your quiz. Make sure you have a front and a back. It's a front and back quiz. When you are done, you're putting your quiz in this basket. You're sitting down, you are not being advice out. You will read out of your reminder. Yeah, I was right.